and welcome to World Knowledge with AK. Today we will talk about World Heritage Site in detail. Before this, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. Right, so let's start the video. UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO World Heritage Site program was adopted on 16 November 1972, become effective from 17 December 1975. Headquarters of UNESCO located in Paris, France. World Heritage Site are landmark or area which is geographically and historically identifiable and has special cultural or physical significance. These are under legal protection by an international convention administered by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. There are total 1,121 World Heritage Sites in world across 167 countries, in which 869 cultural, 213 natural, 39 mixed properties. India, there are 38 World Heritage Sites till date. India's rank 6th out of 167 countries. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal located on the right bank of Yamuna River in Agra district, Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Construction starting in 1632 AD and completed in 1648 AD. The Taj Mahal is considered to be the great architectural achievement in the whole range of Indo-Islamic architecture. The Taj Mahal attracts 7 to 8 million visitors in a year. Many notable figures of the world have traveled to the site like George Bush, Mark Zuckerberg, Vladimir Putin, Princess Diana, Donald Trump, etc. It was declared a winner of New Seven Wonders of the World initiative. It is an immense mausoleum of white marble. Architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The Taj Mahal, designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Hampi. Hampi is located state of Karnataka. Hampi main attraction is the magnificence of the ruins of temple and other structure of Vijayanagar dating back to 1500 AD. It is used to be the second largest city of the world after Beijing. Hampi has a number of tourist attractions like Virupaksha Temple, Vithala Temple and Nandi statue. Best time to visit Hampi is during 3-day Hampi festival held around October-November every year. The iconic stone chariot in Hampi is a landmark destination and is considered as the jewel of the Hampi. Built by Raja Dev Rai. Hampi was declared a World Heritage Site on 20 December 2006. Khajuraho. Khajuraho Temple was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India. It has the India's largest group of medieval Hindu and Jain temples famous for their erotic sculptures. It is one of the 7 wonders of India. Khajuraho Temple was built between 885 AD and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty. It is located in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh. Ellora Caves. Located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, India. Designated as World Heritage Site in 1983, there are over 100 caves featuring Hinduism and Buddhist and Jain monuments with art and work dating 600-1000 CE period. It is one of the largest rock-cut Hindu temple cave complexes in world. Cave 16 features the largest single monolithic rock excavation in the world, the Kailash Temple, a chariot-shaped monument dedicated to Lord Shiva. Both Ajanta and Ellora caves are major tourist attractions. Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves, located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, India, few kilometers away from Ellora Caves. There are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments dating back from 2nd century BC to 480 CE. These are regarded as masterpieces of Buddhist religious art. These caves present paintings depicting the past lives and rebirth of Buddha, that is Jataka tales. The most interesting fact is that these caves were accidentally discovered and brought to Western attention in 1980 by British officer Captain John Smith while he was on a tiger hunting party. Ajanta caves were listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, few kilometers away from Taj Mahal. It was founded by Mughal Emperor Akbar from 1571 to 1585. It was known as City Victory of Akbar's victorious campaign in Gujarat 1573, and in this honor he built Buland Darwaja. Akbar's son Jahangir, also known as Salim, was born in Fatehpur Sikri, a religious compound construction in honor of Chishti Saint Sheikh Salim, who had predicted the birth of Jahangir, is also there. Other notable and must-visit places in Fatehpur Sikri are Panch Mahal, Jama Masjid, Elephanta Tower, etc. UNESCO World Heritage Site, inscription 1986. Elephanta Caves. In 1987, Elephanta Caves were designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are collection of cave temples dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. They are on Elephanta Island in Mumbai Harbour in the Indian state of Maharashtra. These date back to 2nd century BC. The carving in these caves narrate Hindu mythologies with first the large monolithic 20 feet 6.1 Trimurti Sadashiva, three-faced Shiva, Nataraj, Lord of Dance, Yogi Shiva, Lord of Yoga. That's it for this video. We will meet again with other UNESCO heritage site in India. Till then, take care and bye-bye.